Welcome to the Found Space manufacturing and assembly line. Let's take a look at how Found Space saunas are made. Found Space products are designed and engineered in Melbourne, Australia. Our products are then brought to life in a facility that has specialised in timber manufacturing for over 30 years. We source the finest materials from around the globe, and pictured here in Guangzhou, China, they take shape. Starting with logs of Canadian hemlock or cedar, raw materials are turned into usable sections. Then, larger pieces are furnished into smaller and more specific sauna elements as they progress down the manufacturing line. Found Space saunas use over 300 timber components and go through over 50 different sets of hands during the production process. Many of the finishing touches are conducted by hand, with the final quality control process taking place before the units are packaged and ready for shipment around the world. Thanks for watching.